CalRigger Academy for Defense, Systems and Technologies of Pateros Solar Rev City lead by Giancarlo Capco, CTO of CalRigger Industries, was spotted giving lecture to Army soldiers about development of Filipino-made military-grade CalRigger UGV unmanned ground vehicle SROG robotics technologies. These UGVs were already spotted in CADEX Philippine Army missions by local and international medias. The military UGV development team, composed of Filipino technologists and military tech engineers, aims to increase capabilities of these made in the Philippines Filipino military unmanned ground vehicles for search and rescue missions with combat capabilities for defensive stance.
Ni-rubber na kasi nila yung gulong mo eh. Yan din ang isang nagpamahal dyan. Ang isang gulong na ganyan, pag binili mo, nasa 1,500 to 2,000. Kung separate mo binili, mahal. Kasi manufactured eh. Kaya ang pinag-usapan kahapon, si Air Force, bibili sa junk shop ng mga gulong sa trolley, hindi niya ipapalit. Oo. Pero sila, hindi sila time force. Meron. Mas na. Ayun yun sa mga ano nila, pamangkin. Ginawang laruan. Kasi pwedeng, driving lesson ng bata. May gear yan ng pang-automatic. Nakikita ako. Maliit kasi sir yun. Maliit kasi. Dito kasi bumigat dahil sa mga baka dito. Pero to, okay na rin to. Kasi rover style din ang tsura nito. Kaya sayang, kung gusto lang ni Sir Box. Sayang lang. Kaya, astig yan eh. Pag nandiyan na lahat yung gears, ganda na yung tsura niyan. Saka pag napinturahan mo na sir naman. Okay sir. Thank you. Galingan nyo ha. Yung mga sineshare namin.